Hi guys, this is the unboxing of travel oven. Oven which can helpful for us during the traveling. Now you can see I have a little bit opened earlier. This will be the original pack from. You can see the brand. This one is the Hands. You will get it wrap, polythene wrap here, and finally you will get a box. As I told, I have already opened it slightly. Now let's open it here. Here are the opening points. Simply you have to slide outer side and it's open. Here is the instruction booklet. Carbon monoxide hazard, but yes, because it's propane butane burning, and what is the uses, what is the gas pressure, these are things are written. This one is the actual stove. It's very light and very handy. The box is really not, build quality is not so good, but it's quite good for this purpose job. They have really provided a good one. Let me okay, here it is. Now you can see it will be better. Now you can see the whole, this build quality, painting, it's really good, really fine. They have placed it in reverse so that it may not take position. Simply take it out and you can see the inner part. Here is the lighter. You can, if you can see, here is the oven, and the quality is really good. It's really good quality. As per the build, it is really strong for a kind of job what we are talking. These are the simple, you have to place it here. It's very simple. Here the position for your cooking, the pots. Now this is the position where we attach gas cartridges, LPG gas cartridges. Simply you have to place it here and it will, and here is a lock. You see it pushes, see, you have to lock like this, then it will hold it properly. Here you can see a point, you can see this point, and with the help of this it comes out easily. Not easily, you can install this here and connect a hose directly from your gas cylinder, and you can use it normally also. But yes, but during the traveling, gas cylinders will not be there. We have to use it through the cartridges. So simply we have to put our cartridges here, lock it. It's a kind of cover only, so you have a good sense. And here are few, you can see ventilation points because it's LPG. Locking knob, this is off on ignition. Simply got it on, look at here, on, and you got the flame. It is very simple, and one can of LPG can run up to 2 to 3 hours. It means you can cook a complete meal also, or a short-term meals, or just for boiling of water, making tea, or whatever you want, Maggie, anything. Few instructions, cautions here: do not connect cooker, they may overheat. means 2 or 3 you cannot. Do not use large pans, extend over the edge. Cartridge cover, you have to, your pen should be up to this, not up to this. Never use near flammables. Do not use with drip pen upside down. Do not use while moving or tilted. And while igniting burner, check whether flame is lit. Ventilation is really required. Canister goober must be aligned as so, and all these are the positions. Hands, really good one, nice build quality, and everything is really good, really very light in weight. But yes, I think about this I would like to say that this is quite good, that it's very simple to use, but it should at least hold slightly, at least. It's very simple, there is no hold, but at least it should hold properly. And yes, here it is. And this is the casing, suitcase type, the portable gas stove. You can see like suitcase type, easily very nice to keep into your vehicle or your car dicky. It takes very less space and very utilized, very much useful item for a trip or a journey. So guys, this was all about the Hans portable gas stove, which is useful for the journey or the traveling in your car, or almost with your personal vehicles, or if you are staying somewhere for a few days, you can also use this one. So overall, this is really a good, nice and a strong product, and I really like it. Thank you guys, enjoy the videos, and further I will also bring such kind of videos for you, where I will review travel related equipments and items. Till that, bye bye, tata.